Unlocking modals, may versus might. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to crack a common conundrum in the English language, distinguishing between the modal verbs, may and might. By the end of this video, you'll understand the nuances of these two tricky verbs, and you'll be able to use them accurately and confidently in your conversations. So, let's jump right in. May and might are both modal verbs used to express possibility, permission, and in some cases, wish or hope. They are often used interchangeably, but they do have slightly different connotations. May usually suggests a greater degree of certainty or likelihood. For example, "It may rain today," implies that there is a reasonably high chance of rain. Might, on the other hand, generally suggests a lesser degree of certainty or a hypothetical situation. For example, "If I had a day off, I might go to the beach," implies a hypothetical situation that's not necessarily expected to come true. Remember, these are general tendencies and not fixed rules. Both may and might can be used for various contexts and their meanings can overlap. One common mistake learners often make is using might to ask for permission, as in, "Might I go to the bathroom?" While this is technically correct and used in very formal English, it can sound a bit outdated in everyday conversation. Instead, use may when asking for permission, like, "May I go to the bathroom?" Another mistake is using may when referring to an unlikely hypothetical situation. In such cases, might is usually a better choice. For instance, instead of saying, "If I won the lottery, I may buy a house," you should say, "If I won the lottery, I might buy a house." Now, let's solidify your understanding with some examples and practice exercises. 1. Correct or incorrect? "I may go to the party later." Correct. May is appropriately used to indicate a possible future action. 2. Fill in the blanks. "If I had more time, I, blank, read that book." Might, indicating a hypothetical situation. 3. Choose the right option. Might I borrow your pen?" May, asking for permission. 4. Correct the sentence. "I might go to the concert if I can get tickets." Correct. Might is used properly to suggest a less certain future action. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to write your own sentences using may and might for additional practice. And that's a wrap on our lesson on the differences between may and might. I hope this video has shed some light on these confusing modal verbs and will help you to use them more confidently in your conversations. Remember, English is a journey, not a destination. So, keep practicing, stay curious, and continue to expand your language skills. Until next time, happy learning!